As we approach the 2026 budget speech, there's a subtle message from government that they will not necessarily be increasing taxes. However, we envisage that the South African Revenue Services will be strictly enforcing compliance. With limited fiscal capacity, we do envisage that the South African Revenue Services will be enforcing their mandate in order to collect outstanding taxes. We understand that this is in the region of roughly about 800 billion rand. What does this mean for taxpayers? Increased audits, increased verification processes, faster verification processes, far less tolerance for errors, far less tolerance for inadequate documentation, and far less tolerance for late submission of tax returns. In addition, the South African Revenue Services, similar to other institutions, will be utilizing advanced analytical procedures as well as artificial intelligence in order to identify inconsistencies in various information that is provided by taxpayers across the various tax types, such as income tax, VAT, pay-as-you-earn, and other taxes. I think the message is clear that taxpayers need to ensure that their tax affairs are up to date. If your tax affairs are not in order, it is most likely that the South African Revenue Services will come after you. To the extent that taxpayers are compliant, it will be important to ensure that taxpayers are in a position to defend the treatment that are adopted internally by themselves. I do not believe that tax enforcement will be limited to large corporate taxpayers. However, it will include high net worth individuals and other taxpayers. We look forward to unpacking the 2026 budget speech at our virtual event.